Somewhere, right now, a 17-year-old just flipped a Discord bot for $15,000. A 22-year-old, they're launching clothing brands at scale, raking in six figures in 30 minutes. And yeah, even a 13-year-old is out here making bank. Clipping short-form content and turning it into recurring monthly income.
Holy fucking shit.
That is wild shit.
This is Whop, a digital marketplace where software, communities, tools, even chaos are bought and sold every second.
Yo, what is up, guys?
Welcome to Whop O'Clock, the news and intel channel you didn't know existed until now. Built for creators who live in the code, the hustle, and the launch button. No fluff, just fire updates, real stories, and moves you can actually use. Each week we dig into what's dropping, feature updates, store revamps, stealth launches, and the real strategies the top 1% are running. And if something flops, yeah, we'll talk about that too. We're covering the plays no one's really breaking down yet. Unfiltered, fast, focused, this is a channel built for digital outlaws and online operators. If you're trying to build quietly and stack loud, you need to know what time it is.